Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss about a software that is Note 3, and we should know that Note 3 is one of the best software for teachers. Let us find out what are the features of this Note 3. Here you can see that this is Note 3 and we are installing this Note 3 here. Here you can see there are many features in Note 3 which are very important for the teachers who teach online. You see, this is the interface of Note 3. Now you can see what are the various features of this Note 3. You can see that on the right hand side you see that there are many slides. You see, this is slide number 1. You can go to slide number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like this you can go to any slide from here, right? And you can come to the previous slide from this arrow, that is 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In this way you can navigate from one slide to that of another. Besides that, there are other features also. Here you can see that you can write anything here with the help of pen tab, right? Here you see that if you want to write here with white color or any of this color, you can see that you can write with this here with the help of pen tab. Here we are writing welcome to our channel. Welcome to our channel. To our channel. Right? Not only that, you can change the various colors of this pencil. Right? You can say you can change the thickness of the pen also. Now if you want to write with red color, change it and you will see that you can write it with red colors, right? Here you see we are writing here welcome to our channel. Welcome to our channel. In this way you can change the various colors with this software, and this software is one of the best software for teachers who teach online. Not only that, you can also erase it with the help of this eraser. As you can see here, you can erase it very easily with the help of this eraser, right? Now you can see there are other features also. Here you can insert any geometrical figures from this, right? Here you see if you want a circle, go there and make a circle here, right? Or you can delete also, right? In this way you can insert pictures as you like. Suppose you want a triangle, you get it here and make a triangle here, and you can teach about triangle. Not only that, there are other figures also. Suppose this is a equilateral triangle, and you can see this is an equilateral, or maybe it is an isosceles triangle, right? There are various types of geometrical figures. Not only that, you can also draw a line here. You can see this is a line segment, and you can see you can take other things also, that is you can take a ray also. Here you can see we are taking a ray, right? Not only that, you can move these figures from one place to that of another. Suppose you want to take this triangle here, or take this triangle here, take this one here, and this line segment here. In this way you can roam any of these geometrical figures with the help of these move or roam, right? You can text, this is the text, you can write anything here on the as you like. Suppose you want to write welcome, right? Then you write WELCOME. You can see here we have written welcome. This is WELCOME, welcome. Not only that, you can change the font also. You can change according. We can change the font like 64, right, or much more than that. You can change the font also. This is the size of the font we have changed. Not only that, you can change the font also. You can see here, this is the font right? These are the various font. You can change the font also from one font to that of another, right? In this way you can change the background, you can change the color, right? You can do everything whatever you can do in words in Microsoft Word, right? Beside this, you can see that you can change it like into this also. You see here, see, you can change into this also, like this. You can take any of these and you can change it, right? In this way we have many features in this software, and you can do whatever you like to teach on online teaching. You see here, right? This is the text, and if you, this is undo option. That means you are going back from first position to the last position. You said we are going back, right? And this is redo. That means we are getting again all the process from the beginning, right? In this way you can do everything as you like, right? Now we are going to take another slide, that is slide number 2. Here you see, this is slide number 2, right? Now you see these are the different features. Now you can see different features here also. Here at this position menu, you can get the file, new file, you can get an open file, you can save it or save as. This you can also import file, export file, print, settings, help, mode and exit. You can see here that there are 3 mode here also. Here you can see this is the teaching mode, this is the preparation mode, this is the desktop mode. If you want to go to desktop, click it here and you see you came here on the desktop, and you can write anything here on the desktop also. Right here, see, we can writing anything on the desktop, or you can teach anything, or you can say about any of the apps here or icon, right? We can do anything with this, and you see here this is our Note 3, right? Now coming back to the normal position. This is the normal slide. Now you see this is the mode I am teaching arrow. This is the right, and now this is, you see this is the teaching mode, right? In teaching mode you can teach anything as you like, you can write, you can do anything as you like, right? This is the teaching mode. And if you see that there is another mode, that is the preparation mode. You see this is the preparation mode, right? You can prepare it, and after that you can teach here. There are 3 types of mode you can see here, right? Besides that, you see this is the desktop mode. You can go to desktop from here also, right? Here you see this is the desktop mode, and coming back to normal, right? And the most important thing is here, this is encyclopedia. Encyclopedia means you can go to Google and search anything as you like. Suppose you want to search about computer, right? And you can see various information about computers, right? You see this is the searching of computers. You see this is our, what you can call it as encyclopedia, right? That means from Google you can search anything and you can see this encyclopedia. Not only that, you can see here this is also resource library. You see here this is our resource library. You can go to the system research, or you can go to the favorite, you can go to the desktop. So I am coming to the desktop, and you see you can find the screenshot here and go anywhere as you like, right? You can go to desktop, or you can go to any other positions, right? This is what you got it, right? Now the most important thing is our treasure box. You see this is the treasure box, right? In treasure box you can find that there are various. First go to subject. In subject you can find 4 options, that is background in solid color, and discipline background, teaching background and customize, right? First we go to background in solid color. You can change the background of this one, right? If you want to change the color with this way, and if you want to write something here, you can write anything with any color, right? Suppose you want to write it with color white. You see here you can write it with white, right? And you can change the thickness of this color also. This is one of the best software for teaching online. I'll show you how to teach online later on, right? Now you see that these are the various important features they get from this treasure box, right? If you go to the subject again, and you can find that there are other important things also, that the discipline background. You can go to discipline background, any of the discipline background you can take, and here you can see that we can go to discipline background also and teach there also, right? After that you can go to, or you can customize according to your own need. You can customize also, right? Now if we go to discipline tool, here a discipline tool, there are 3 disciplines here: chemistry, physics, maths and English. For English, you see, we can go to here, or you can write here according here. There are 4 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4. We can write anything in English, and if you delete it this one, right? In this way, if you go to discipline, you can find many other things also, right? In discipline tool, you see this is the chemistry portions, right? Now we are taking a new slide, suppose slide number 3. Now you see here, this is browser. You can browse from here, or you can go to any site, like you want to know something about, this is browse anything. That means you go to internet and find anything as you like. That is, suppose I want to find bus in US, and you find it, and you see there are various things given here, bus, or you can find the images of buses here. You see here, right? In this way, you can search from Google here, and you can do. We can teach from there also, right? Not only see that, you can see that there are various other things also. That is clock. If you want a clock here, you can see that this is the clock, right? Or not only that, you can see other things also here. You can see this is clock, and this is calendar, right? This is the calendar. That is Thursday, 25th, 2024, right? Or you can find any other things like calendar or magnifier. You get a magnifier here. You see here, you can see, if you, with the magnifier, you can see that this is bigger in size, right? You see here, or you can cut it, right? Now you can see that in text box, you can find a magnifier, you can find a mask mode. You see, this is the mask mode. What you can do, you write a question here, and the answers will be masked here, right? And in this way, you can find the different quizzes or assignments or questions, quiz questions like this, right? Now, this is the property of mask, and this is spotlight. You can spotlight here anything as you like. You see here, this is the spotlight. You can roam it from one question to that of another, right? And you see here, there are other things also. You can find that there is a timer here. You see, this is the timer. If you want the timers, you start here. Now the timer starts, and you can give time for the students for 1 minute, 2 minutes for quizzes or any other question, right? This is the timer. Not only that, you can see any other things also. That is object booth. That means from the camera you can project something on your screen, right? Since this computer has no camera, that's why I am not showing it here, right? And you see, now you see that there are here also. You can see that this is the screenshot. You can take the screenshot also. There are 3 mode. One is this one, the whole screen will be shot. This is a screenshot, or a part of it. You can take a part of it, and it will be cut, right? And this is the freeform. You can take a part of this freeform, and you can get here, that is the part, right? In this way, you can take the screenshot also, right? In this way, you can get various things. Now we are going to next slide. You see, we are getting next slide now, right? This is our resource library, right? Now this is the treasure box. In treasure box, we got all these things. And the last one is the thinking axis. You see, this is the thinking axis. We can work with it also, right? And in treasure box, you find all these things. Not only that, you can go to resource also. You see here, this is the resource, right? In resource, you can take anything from your computers, right? Suppose you can add any video, add any text, add any images, or add any of your pages here. Suppose we want to go to this one, this class 7 maths introduction. Now here you see this is coming out, and you can see what are these. You see here, these are the different slides we have made here. You can see this is introduction, this is natural numbers, this is whole numbers, and this is integers, and all these things. That means you can also teach in this way also. Okay, go to any of your PPT, and you can teach here also, right? And in this way, you can teach also. And not only that, you can write on also in your PPT form, right? You can write also. You see, you can write here also something like hello, or write anything as you like. Hello, how are you? See, in this way, you can write also on your PPT, right? In this way, you can do anything as you like according to your need, right? These are the different important features of this software.